Does your little fur baby deserve to be pampered? I know mine does, which is one reason that I got this absolutely adorable, plush, and soft heated bed from TENECUTE. I'm Gina with WTI. We've been placing a heater next to our baby kitty Scully's bed, and that is not very cost effective. So I knew I wanted a bed that had an electric bed warmer because it would cut down on utilities. At first, my cat only wanted to play with the hood, and then I realized that she actually wanted the bed to be on my sewing desk so that she could be right next to me. So once I put it up there, now she lives in it. The heating pad is removable and this is machine washable. There's two temperature settings, low and high. When it's green, that means it's in standby mode. You can also set a timer on it, which is really convenient. And the hood is removable, but I find that my cat loves it. It's like a little cat cave, and she has so much fun playing with the little pom pom. I don't think you can go wrong with this bed, and that's my point of view.